Hey everybody, I'm out here with Carrie Taylor. Hey Carrie.
Hey Kinny, how are you?
Oh, I'm good.
Good.
We're gonna play hashtag Connect4Charity, aren't we?
Well, yes, we are.
How about we head on inside?
Let's do it.
All right, everybody, we are here inside Citizens First Bank. Hey Carrie, what's up?
Hi Kinny, not a lot. How are you?
Oh my goodness, so you're excited to play hashtag Connect4Charity?
I'm excited. Yes.
Why did Citizens First Bank get involved with hashtag Connect4Charity?
Well, we were excited when we learned about it because it's something new and different.
Yes.
A way for raising money for local charities, and we love to support local charities.
Hashtag Save the Depot, right?
That's right.
That's who we're playing for. So, as in fashion tradition, I'm in your house. So let's go ahead. Let me make sure this is closed for one, because I've been keeping it open in the checker sometimes.
Oh, wait.
Drop through.
Is it closed or open?
Well, I think it's closed. Let me see.
There, now it's
Oh, now it's closed. Okay.
All right.
See,
All right.
guys, this is all real. It's not fake. So, we're in your house. How about you go first?
Okay.
Hashtag drop the checker.
I appreciate the opportunity to practice here.
Absolutely. And, you know, a lot of times I like to talk to you because I'm trying to kind of distract you a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Are you trying to put two checkers in at once?
Well, I might.
Look, I thought I had you there.
That would have been, I would have cried because that would have been real embarrassing. That would've
No,
been quick.
this is all for charity. Let's see, I got there. Now we're going to be playing April 16th, and it's for the historic rail park and the train museum here in Bowling Green.
Yes.
And Citizens First Bank is a big part of our community and is supporting hashtag Save the Depot.
Looking forward to it.
Raising money. I'm going to get you there. I'm not going to let you get me that easy. Let's see here. Guys, this is intense. And we've got a young lady right outside. I know you can't see her. Come on in here. Oh, no, she says, no, I'm not coming in. Oh, wait a minute. I got it right there.
Oh, you did.
I did. All right.
Good
Well, thanks
job.
for playing.
Thanks for letting me practice.
Looking forward to seeing you April 16th. I'm
Yes.
not sure what time you're playing, but I'll make sure I let you know.
10 o'clock, I believe.
Is it 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock.
Okay.
All right.
And we'll be at Trent Betting. So April 16th over at Trent Betting.
Sounds
Hashtag
good.
Save the Depot. Hashtag
Depot, yes.
Connect4Charity, and Citizens First Bank is on board and involved.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.